Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up GeyserMC on Bungeecord. First, ensure you have a running Bungeecord server and a Spigot or paper backend server ready for integration. You will need to download the correct GeyserMC plugin version for Bungeecord. Place this plugin file into your Bungeecord server's plugins folder. This initial step is crucial for bridging the two distinct Minecraft editions seamlessly. Next, you must install Floodgate on all your backend Spigot or paper servers. Floodgate is a companion plugin that handles Bedrock player authentication, allowing them to join without a Java Edition account. Download the appropriate Floodgate version for your backend server software and place it into each server's plugins folder. Restarting these servers after installation is vital for the changes to take effect properly. Now, configure GeyserMC by editing its config. YAML file within the Bungeecord plugins folder. Set the address to your Bungeecord server's IP and ensure the port is correctly specified, usually 19132. You will also need to port forward this GeyserMC port through your router to allow external Bedrock connections. Double-check that no other application is using this specific port to avoid conflicts. Finally, test your setup by attempting to connect to your server using a Minecraft Bedrock Edition client. Use your server's IP address and the GeyserMC port you configured. If you encounter issues, review your Bungeecord and backend server logs for any error messages from GeyserMC or Floodgate. Common problems include incorrect port forwarding or misconfigured IP addresses. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. With careful attention to these steps, your cross-platform server will be ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.